Hey everyone, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Heartland RV. Now today's a big day, we're talking Milestone, but I'm not gonna be doing it by myself. Today I'm joined by three of our team, Matt, Mike, and Jordan, and we're gonna be going over this floor plan, which is what?
This is our 379 front living mid-loft.
I'm back here with Mike in the front living. What are some features that you're bringing this year as a standard?
Yeah, so one of my favorite features actually is going to be our new ETVs. They actually have a built-in sound bar in the bottom of here. They also have HDMI hookup and USB ports right in the front. So easy access if you want to hook up your Roku sticks, Apple TVs, connect to your laptop, pretty easy.
And there's one other feature we want to point out here in the front living.
Right, so these are both theater seats, so both of these will recline, but the cool thing is we have hidden cup holders, so you press on it, these pop out. They also have USB ports right here, so you can charge your phone when you're watching TV.
We're talking about the value that you are going to get in this floor plan, and what better thing to talk about than controlling your coach?
Right, exactly. So with Milestone, something that comes standard with us is the X1 system from Lippert. That's going to be located right here. This is where you're going to control your awning, your leveling, your lighting, and your slides, all from the touch of a button. It comes with a companion app for your phone. So you can be hanging out on the couch, shut the lights off, retract the awning. Just really enhances the customer experience and ease of use of the coach. One of the biggest things in this Milestone that you're going to notice right when you walk through the door is this beautiful fridge by Furrion. This is a 14 cubic foot residential fridge. Comes with a built-in wine cooler here on the left side. It also has built-in travel locks, so there's no straps that go across this. So the locks are right underneath there. Open it up and you have some nice organization bins here for the freezer on the bottom side as well. So a nice upgraded fridge. You're gonna really struggle at this price point to find a nicer fridge than this.
You got the solid surface countertops throughout. You made the big upgrade on the residential size microwave. It just turned out great, so thank you very much. Before we go into that master suite, Matt, something that's specifically unique to this floor plan I'd like you to talk about.
Yeah, so the biggest thing about this is going to be the versatility in it.
Yeah.
So if you close this door for the bathroom here, you're going to notice that there's a ladder integrated. That just creates another sleeping area above. But if you don't have kids with you, it's just another area of storage.
Matt, that's awesome. Let's go take a look at the master suite.
The first thing you notice is that there is a bed slide. That just creates so much space back here, master bedroom feel. Having the king size bed too is absolutely standard and creates so much value. Another thing that's really cool about this floor plan, you have a very large wardrobe with a built-in washer dryer right there. So as we enter this master bathroom, the biggest thing I like to point out are gonna be these high ceilings. Me being a tall 6'5" guy, this is what I require. So having the actual large basin shower with the glass finishes, really just that high-end look. But it's really about size back here. So having this master suite bathroom just goes a long way.
Everybody knows Milestone is getting more amenities at a price they can afford. What are the two biggest features that you're getting a lot of feedback about?
Yeah, starting off with the pin box, 2021 Rotoflex hitch is going to be standard. It's definitely an upgrade from a standard Lippert component hitch. So as far as trucking, going down the road, it's going to be easier on your coach and easier on your truck. Secondly, our painted front caps. It is a true automotive painted front cap. It's definitely an upgrade from a standard gel coat where this will not fade over time.
As I come to the campsite of this coach, want to talk to Jordan about some of the unique features that really bring a lot of value to customers this year.
Yeah, so one thing Heartland does with our Milestone here is we really try to construct it from the inside out to have a really good, long-lasting, durable coach for our customers. So one of the things that we start with is we use a double layer Azdel on the sidewalls. It's quieter, a lighter material. It's gonna help with delamination, mold, mildew. It's really gonna help the coach last a lot longer. We also do a 3-inch wrap TPO roof. Notice that that roof is overhung a little bit. The reason why is so that there's no standing water up there. As an RV owner, one of your biggest enemies is gonna be water. It's gonna cause the most destruction for you probably. So we really try to prevent that. So that's gonna allow the water to roll right off the roof. Just another nice added construction feature to help it last longer. And then lastly, underneath our wheel wells, if you've ever seen a tire blow on an RV, it can do some significant damage and it can be pretty pricey as well. So we finished underneath the floor with a Darko wrap and then put galvanized steel underneath that as well, just to add a layer of protection for any blowouts that might happen.
Coming to the back of this coach, just again, some more features that you guys are giving all the customers as standard. What are those?
And I'd love to reiterate that everything you do see is 100% standard. So all the Milestones will be built the exact same way. Something that's brand new to 2021 is going to be this ladder. So this does come as it is. This allows you to access your roof if you're out camping, you got a branch that fell down up there.
Sure.
You don't have to be stuck trying to figure out how to get up there. Another brand new thing as well is going to be this 2-inch receiver hitch that allows for a bike rack, a fire pit setup, just a lot more storage and ease of towability.
Matt, Mike, Jordan, thank you so much for sharing everything that you guys have put together to bring value to all of our customers in 2021. There's a lot more features to learn about, so to learn more about the 379 FLML, go to heartlandrvs.com.